Hello, this is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. I'm here at the historic Woodlawn Cemetery, and I'm working on behalf of and with the Sons of Union Veterans of the Civil War here at historic Woodlawn at Section 41, which is their GAR site. Really excited about this. So let's take a listen. Hello, this is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. Take a look at these headstones. These are all headstones over at historic Woodlawn Cemetery. They are in a place that should look absolutely wonderful, but because of the lack of care given to the headstones, this is what occurs. Now, I'd like to point out as I come along here is that they all kind of look like this until you get over here, where you see some of the headstones that I was cleaning. Now, notice the degree of cleanliness and visibility and actually presentability that these have. They all should be like this. There's absolutely no reason why these are the only ones, because these don't look right. This is Jim Phillips with Remember Veteran Grave Markers. Take care. I want to point out several people. Musician John Rior, Company H, 1st Michigan Infantry. This is how we found his headstone initially. But with some work with the VA, we had had them create a new headstone, and we now have something honoring his service in the Civil War. Next, we have Private W.S. Obrien, Company I, 13th New York Infantry. His headstone looked just like this, as you can see it. But, of course, what we've done is work with the VA and acquire another stone. Really happy about that. Last in our group is Private John Bowers of Company K, 25th Ohio Infantry. Now, his was illegible. It wasn't broken, wasn't damaged. It was just illegible. So we worked with the VA and had them make a new headstone. We're very pleased with that. They've done a nice job, and we like our partnership with them. It is important to recognize, as you look at John Bowers as the others, is that what they do out, the VA in partnership with the cemeteries is a great deal. We want to thank Historic Woodlawn Cemetery and also Remember Veteran Grave Markers and the Sons of Union Veterans of the Civil War, particularly the John S. Coons Camp, Camp 14 in the Greater Toledo area. So we're thankful for them, and that is it. Until next time, goodbye. As we close, I want to give a shout out to certainly the Historic Woodlawn Cemetery. Their work in setting up those three headstones is very much appreciated. I also want to say something that most cemeteries, if not probably all cemeteries, the cleaning of headstones is left to the family or concerned parties. Rarely does a cemetery actually clean headstones, particularly in a private cemetery or even a municipal cemetery. Often, even at the national cemeteries like Arlington or Rittman or Great Lakes National Cemetery or Vicksburg and others, those headstones do not clean themselves. Volunteers come out and do this. The appeal I make to you is that be a volunteer, come out, learn how to clean, and make your presence known. Because, again, these headstones do not clean themselves. So I want to thank everyone for letting us participate there at the Historic Woodlawn. And I look forward to continuing to do more work there. And as we make that monument even richer than it is at this time. So until next time, this is Jim Phillips, and thanks to Remember Veteran Grave Markers, as well as the John S. Coons Camp 14 of the Sons of Union Veterans, their help in making these things possible. Thank you. God bless.